The BRP Lake Caliraya will serve as a target during a sinking exercise as part of Balikatan this year and be sunk by anti-ship missiles from the BRP Antonio Luna. BRP Lake Caliraya is a made-in-China sea vessel that was decommissioned by the Philippine Navy and a former tanker of Philippine National Oil Company. A China news outlet took offense and called this a ridiculous stunt. But the Navy said it was only coincidental and not intentional to target the Chinese-made ship.
Just like in any sinking exercise around the world, they use old vessels as the target of the exercise. And the same thing we are doing with Lake Caliraya.
Meanwhile, a surge in the presence of Chinese maritime militia vessels was observed in the West Philippine Sea. Based on the Philippine Navy's monitoring, from 50 to 69 CMMVs in the first 2 weeks of April, they increased to more than 100 recently. China Coast Guard ships and PLA Navy ships, on the other hand, have been more consistent in their numbers. The surge in Chinese maritime militia vessels has been clear since the Balikatan exercise opened yesterday.
It's only for this week that we have seen a surge of up to a total of 124. 3 PLA Navy, 11 Coast Guard, and 110 maritime militia. So yes, this coincides with Balikatan. This upsurge is out of the normal.
The Navy also confirmed 2 CMMVs came to as close as 30 nautical miles from the shores of Palawan over the weekend, while the greater presence of Chinese ships is expected, with multilateral maritime exercises to be conducted inside the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Their behavior might change, according to the Navy.
That has been the call ever since for China to respect international law. And I expect them to behave properly this time because of the presence of the international participants for BK.
The AFP has stressed the Balikatan exercise is not directed against any particular country. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.